Raven, back again with another video. And as y'all can see by the title, today we are unboxing. I'm gonna give y'all my little review on my Lorvae. Okay, so I didn't get any sunglasses, but I did get the Mae glasses that she just dropped or whatever. They dropped on September 21st. I want to say 21st, September 21st at 12. I got a pair of those. They are $65. And then I got them in the mail on the I want to say the 27th, because today is the 30th. Yeah, I want to say I got them on the 27th. But this is the box that the glasses are in, and they are blue light blocking lenses. So pretty much they help if you work a lot with computers, if you're sitting at a screen all day. And then also the good thing about these glasses are you can put prescriptions in them. So I know a lot of like blue light blocking glasses, you can't put prescriptions in them, but these, she said that you can definitely put prescriptions in them. So with these glasses, it helps like block out like the harmful ways of like computers, phones, tablets, you know, if you look at electronics all day. I wanted to get these because y'all know I work at a computer. Not at a computer, but a lot of my time is spent at the computer typing notes. If I'm doing like telehealth visits, if I'm looking up like, you know, different like research and different like diagnosis and coping skills and things like that. So all day I'm looking at either my computer screen, my phone screen, my tablet. So I figured that these would be a good fit for the type of job that I do. And if you are at a computer screen all day, you might want to try these out as well. But so this is how the box came. It is a plain white box. I'm not going to flip it over because my address is on the side, but this is how it is like when you open it up. It came a lot better like this, but I missed it up. But this is how the box looks when you open it up. This is paper that came with off the glasses or whatever, but this is, I guess, like just filler paper or whatever. And then it comes with a card from De'Ara, and if y'all don't know, that's the owner of the brand. And then it also comes like with your packaging receipt, but this is the whole box. And then this box came inside of this box, so it's just the brand name, gold lettering, and then this is what it says on the back of the box. So there's the website, www.lorvae.com, and they also have their Instagram page up there as well, and then they also have a TikTok page as well. And then this is the box that the glasses are in. And then when we open up the glass case, we can see there's the brand name again, and like this, it's like real like soft type of like material. And then we have the glasses in this little pouch that also has the brand name as well. And then it also came with an eyeglass cleaner that has the brand name on there as well. So baby, when you have these, it's no way you should be like, where you get them from? You automatic, boom, here we go, branding everywhere, which I love, because you know how when you get something and you wear it for a long time and somebody like randomly is like, where do you get that from? And you like, dang, I can't remember. Not with Lorvae. You gonna always know where these came from, okay? And she made sure, but details, y'all, are down to a T, okay? These so far are the packaging and everything, quality, $65. This is not bad. And then here are the glasses. And then they have in Katie Mae right here on like the side of the glasses. And it is her grandmother's name. So she did these inspiring by her grandmother. And like these are the glasses, y'all. Real cute, real cute. They are like I want to say brown, like a brownish color. Let me see, because I got it up on the website. I want to make sure that I say the right color. It doesn't say the color, but yeah, they're real cute. They're real cute. And then this is what they look like on. Real, like, it's giving boss, okay? It's giving I'm a CEO, okay? It's giving, yeah. And they're really, really light. As y'all can see my ring light in the glasses. They're really, really light. They don't like hurt. Matter of fact, they don't even really like, they come a little bit past, if y'all can see, they come a little bit like past my ear, so they're not like sitting, you know, direct. They're not like heavy on, like, because you know how some glasses, they'll leave like those marks and it'll like hurt around your ear. Haven't worn these yet to work, but so far right now they're like real light. They don't hurt right here, nor do like this is and then like right here, the nose part, it doesn't, can't really feel it too much. And those are like the big reasons why I don't really like wearing sunglasses or like glasses in general, because they mostly hurt around my ears, and then like right here they normally hurt. But so far these right here don't really seem like they'll be like too big of a problem or an issue, like wearing them like all day. And then I wanted to see if they like slid off, but they don't. So yeah, these are really, really cute. Like, I can't wait to wear these Monday at work. But yeah, they're cute. And with these glasses, I feel like you can use them like business, you can use them casual, you can use them like formal, you can use them like dressed down every day. I feel like these are a good everyday glasses. Like, and then on top of that, you can put prescription in them. Like if you wear glasses, like these are really, really cute. Like, it's giving like that old type of like vibe when it comes like the big like round part right here, but it's also giving like a little chic, a little modern, a little classy, you know, like CEO vibes. Like, it's like, what, I'm ready for the meeting, okay? But yeah, y'all, these are really, really cute. I really like these. So if you're wanting to purchase, like I said, go to the website, go to their Instagram, TikTok page or whatever. And yeah, but for me, I would give these glasses, I would give them a 9 out of 10. And I say 9 out of 10 because I haven't worn them for a long period of time to see like if it'll start hurting right here or if it'll start hurting right here. But yeah, so I'll give them a 9 out of 10. They're really, really cute. And I was a little bit nervous to see how they would fit on my face because they are like big framed and my eyes are big. But they're really, really cute though. But yeah, that's it for this review, guys. If you're gonna go get a pair, I would definitely highly suggest you guys go get a pair. But if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share this video with anyone and everyone. Let them know what your girl's doing over here in Jewel's Corner, because over here what you say? Huh? We get active. That's right. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.